Hey, kumusta? Today is January 20, 2025, and today's devotion is from the book of James, chapter 1, verse 5. Sabi po dito, if any of you lacks wisdom, you should ask God, who gives generously to all without finding fault, and it will be given to you. Naranasan mo na ba na kailangan mong gumawa ng malaking desisyon sa buhay mo? Yung tipong sobrang nalilito at nahihirapan ka kasi it could make or break your future. At minsan naiista ka na lang doon. Siguro isa kang magulang na dapat magdesisyon para sa pamilya mo. O kaya isa kang estudyante na may pangarap. O kaya ay nagtatrabaho na kailangan pumili ng tamang landas. O kahit ano pa ang katayuan mo sa buhay. We all have decisions to make. We all face moments where we need wisdom. The good news is, may napakagandang promise the Lord sa atin. The Bible says, if any of you lacks wisdom, let him ask God, and He will generously give it to you without finding fault. Hindi ka niya susukatin o huhusgahan. Hindi niya tatanungin, karapat-dapat ka ba? He wants you to come and ask Him by faith. Today, whatever you're facing, pause for a moment. Trust that He will answer you in His perfect way and time. God bless you all.